Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about, it's a food thing. It's called one meal jars or one jar meals. Get it right, yeah, one jar meals. And on my other channel, Camp Pet and Family Compound, on Mondays, we've been covering different things you can do in one jar meals for soups, desserts, and other things. And this is going to be an ongoing topic for the live stream on Mondays. All right. So think about, hey, make it simpler and easier. Yeah, you can either can the ingredients dry, or you can can it totally fixed up. You have the soup or stews or whatever it is already done, ready to go. So you just go to your shelf, pull it off the shelf, you open it up, dump it in the pot, heat it up, and you're good to go. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill as well, because this winter is a possibility of being really bad, and you need to get prepped for this winter.